Are you stuck at 200 watch hours, 500 watch hours, wondering how you ever get to that magic number, 4,000 watch time hours on YouTube? See, you're not alone. I have been there as well. I remember when I started my channel with over 15,000 subscribers, I struggled. I tried different things, and I can tell you that I know how you feel. And today, I'm going to show you how I was able to raise my first channel to 15,000 subscribers and how I kept on getting nothing less than 2,000 watch time hours every month on that channel. Yes, you can actually get that 4,000 watch time hours even without going viral. We all know that your watch time is equal to your monetization. The goal of everybody that decides to open a YouTube channel, pick up a camera to film, is to get monetized, and your watch time is equals to your monetization. So grab your pen and paper or even your notepad, because I'm going to be breaking this down in simple, clear steps that actually works in 2025. Before we talk tactics, let's really understand what watch time really is. Watch time is simply the total amount of time people have spent watching your video. YouTube requires you to get 4,000 valid watch time hours within 12 months of your starting a YouTube channel. Not shorts, not private videos, just your regular long form videos. So if you post a 10-minute video and people watch all of it, that's basically 100 watch time, or about 16.6 hours of watch time. So you see how that can actually add up if you do it right. I'm going to be talking about the common mistakes that can actually prevent you from getting your watch time hours very fast in 2025. Let's even be honest. Most people don't get to their 4,000 watch time hours very fast because of these mistakes I'm going to talk about right now. Some persons actually end up posting random videos that has no clear niche. When you do this, you simply confuse the algorithm. Some persons think that the more short videos they make is going to equal more growth, or that is going to make them grow faster when they upload more short. But the thing is, short videos actually give you less watch time. Another mistake people use is using clickbait. Your video is talking about something else entirely, and your clickbait, your thumbnail, you are using a clickbait, you are using something entirely. Do you think people will keep on watching that video if they move to the video and sees that the video is talking about something different entirely? In fact, I don't know about you, but clickbait kills my enthusiasm for any channel. Once I see a thumbnail and I'm attracted to watch the video and I click on it and it's not saying what I want to watch, I'll click away from your channel, and I may not even trust your content again. And that alone can kill your channel, because if people are clicking away without even watching up to 30 seconds of your video or more than 30 seconds of your video, YouTube will see that you are not dishing value and it will stop recommending that video. And if YouTube is not recommending your video, how then are you going to get watch time hours very fast? Now that you know these mistakes and what to do, let's talk about what actually works, how you can get your 4,000 watch hours very fast in 2025. Now, I'm going to be giving you 5 strategies that will actually help your watch time hours very fast in 2025. Number 1 is make longer, valuable content. The emphasis is longer and valuable. Don't just make long videos. And in your long videos, there's no value in it. The beautiful thing about adding value to a long form video is that if your video is long, people will be so interested in watching that video that even when that video gets to the end, they will be like, oh, I wish this video continues. I don't know if you find yourself in that situation. I've seen myself in situations that I love a video and I don't even wish for the video to end. That is the kind of video that YouTube is looking for. And that is the kind of video that can actually increase your watch time hours very fast. Your video should be at least 8 minutes to 15 minutes long. Don't just stretch it. And the fact that I'm saying your video should be 8 minutes to 15 minutes long does not mean that you should just start saying things that are unrelated. Every minute in your video should be value packed. Every minute in your video should entice people, should raise people's curiosity to want to watch that video till the very end. Remember, quality over quantity. You can also have quantity and quality at the same time. That is what we call value. And the way you can actually get long videos is when you do tutorials, when you do story time, when you teach people how to do something, that's how-to videos. Also, when you're trying to do a case study, it can actually make your videos to be longer. And when you're teaching people how to grow online like I am doing now, so this will actually make you to get longer videos. Another way to actually make your video longer is when you create a playlist. People love binge watching. When one video ends and another one starts automatically, your watch time stacks like magic. Simply make a 3-part series or themed playlist and then promote it. And guys, retention is the queen. Retention is the queen on YouTube or even any social media platform. Ensure to keep viewers watching by doing this. Put an open lips by saying something like, I'm going to explain this in a few minutes. explain. Once you're explaining something, people will want to be watching more. When you also show your face or good viewers, people will watch more. If you're creating content and then you're just using screen record, you're not showing your face, you're not showing good visuals that are actually attracting people. If you're not showing good visuals that are actually attracting people, people can easily get bored and scroll away. But when you show your face or you show good visuals, people will want to stay to watch for longer. And please avoid slow intros. Just get to the chase very fast. Just get to the point very fast. I'm sure you saw how I started this intro. I didn't start with hello, my name is. One thing I learned early is that people are not really interested in you, especially when you're new on YouTube. I'm talking directly to small creators now. People are not really interested in you, especially if you're new on YouTube. They're interested in the value you're going to give. Then along the line, when you've made a name for yourself and people really know you, can then start your intro anyhow. But then I still suggest that even when you get to that point where people really know you and you've actually built a community of loyal subscribers, still keep dishing value. Still keep showing them what you want them to learn. And you're only going to show them good things to learn from, right? Another thing is for you to promote your videos strategically. Don't just rely on YouTube for your content to grow. There is a room for promotion. And if you check your YouTube studio, you're going to see where they say promote this video. There are other social media platforms you can actually promote your YouTube video. So what I basically do anytime I upload a video, I share it on Facebook, I share it on TikTok, I share it on Instagram, I share it on basically every social media platform that I operate. You can also share your videos on Twitter. Twitter is a place that I see that a lot of persons are relegating. You don't know that you can actually get a lot of views from Twitter. Imagine attracting people from different social media platforms to the YouTube channel. That is even what YouTube loves. YouTube loves you to bring people to their platform, not to take away people from their platform. And by so doing, you are getting more retention. And by getting more retention, you are increasing your watch time hours. And that is you leading your way to monetization, if that is your goal. Just share it to your different platforms where you already have influence. A lot of us have many followers on TikTok. TikTok is where you already have influence, you have community of people that already loves you already. Why not pick your YouTube video and your YouTube link and direct it to the people on TikTok? Let them come and watch. That is how a lot of people grow. The way to also get this thing right is to reuse your best performing content. If you've uploaded a video on your channel that is doing so well, why not upload that video again? Or why not recreate that type of video again and upload it again? You don't always have to get a new idea. Just double down on what already works. Okay, let's keep it real. You don't need to post daily. Consistency on YouTube is not just posting every day. Now, the new thing about posting every day is that YouTube sees it as a spam. And once you're posting every day and every day, YouTube can take away your channel. So please do not post every day. Consistency is not about posting every day. Some consistency is about choosing what works, choosing the time work. Consistency is about saying, I'm going to be uploading 2 times in a week by 6 p.m., by 12 p.m., and then you stick to that time, you stick to that day, and you always show. Your audience already knows you that, okay, you upload 2 times in a week, these days, and by this time. That is what consistency is, and you are sticking to that time. Consistency is not about uploading every day. And do you know that even posting once in a month and not missing posting once in a month is also consistency? But if your goal is to get subscribers and watch time hours, you should post more, at least 2 times or highest 3 times in a week. Anything more than 3 times in a week is a spam. So post strategically. 3 times in a week if you're looking for watch time hours, post long form videos, and that is it. You don't need to post daily. You don't need 1,000 videos. All you need is intentional content done strategically. Posted weekly, optimized for binge watching. Brainstorm 3 valuable videos, especially the ones your audience are searching for. Record at least 8 minutes per video. It should not be less than 8 minutes. That video should be at least 8 minutes to 15 minutes long. And then what do? Turn those 3 minutes video into a playlist. If you want me to do a video talking about how to do a playlist on YouTube, drop at the comment section. Now, once you're done, promote that playlist across your social media platforms, your WhatsApp, your Facebook, your Twitter, your TikTok. Just promote them and drive people back to the YouTube community so you can get views. Just do this and watch your watch time grow. If you found this video helpful, please don't just click away. Help me to like this video, drop a comment below, subscribe to this channel if you want more YouTube growth tips, and check the description box if you want to get my course on how to grow a successful YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.